Yeah, it's your girl with what the crazy, 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 crazy. Yeah, yeah, it's your girl with what the crazy, 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 crazy. Yeah, it's your girl with what the crazily natural queen.
What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the Crazy Natural Queen, coming to you with another crochet installation featuring Outre Xpression Kinky Curl, color 1B. To prepare this hair for installation, I had previously soaked it with 1 cup of vinegar filled with a sink full of lukewarm water, distilled vinegar, for 1 hour to remove any alkaline chemicals that causes the itchy scalp. And I followed this up by filling the sink with lukewarm water with some shampoo. Let it soak for 30 minutes, thoroughly rinsing it with clear water, and followed that up with conditioner, 30 minutes, rinsing it with lukewarm water. Let it hang on some hangers to dry overnight. After braiding my anchor braid, the other braids, I usually braid 2 small braids and join them as one. My braiding pattern is pretty much the same for each crochet style that I install. So we're going to just speed right through this. I do apologize. I was not able to complete this on camera. I completely ran out of time. It was my birthday weekend, anniversary weekend. So my husband and I went to a concert. And thank you all so very much for watching. This is how my hair turned out. As usual, stay safe and stay blessed. Thank you all so very much.